Okay, if you did the work for 7-2, go ahead and get that out. There are the answers. Pause if you need to. Here's the math box. Okay. All right, moving on to the lesson, page 314, spreadsheets. Complete the chart. Record an algebraic expression to represent each described operation. So you just need to write your algebraic expression. Remember, expressions do not have equal signs. And algebraic means they have a variable, at least one variable. So go ahead and pause and do that. Okay, the sum of A and B means A plus B. Product means you multiply, so it's C times D. 8%, we write 0.08 of means multiply, E. So 0.08 times E. The sum of F, G, H, I, and J means you add all 5 of those letters together. The product of K in itself means K times K, or you can write it as K squared. I will get that up here for you right there. Okay. Now, the title of the spreadsheet, it wants you to fill out A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. I think you should be able to do most of those. So go ahead and pause the video and write those down. Okay, the title is up at the top here. The budget for the book fair up here. Whoa, can't even circle it. Which sells formulas in the address box? Okay, this is the address box. So you would write D4. Let me put the answers up here for you. What is in D4? That is A4 times C4. That's how you get the answer to what's in D4. What does formula in cell D4 calculate? It's the cost of running the tables. Okay, and go ahead and correct the rest of those. All right, complete the spreadsheet here. So what formula did you enter in cell B4? So go ahead and fill that in. We're talking about the sides, and it's a square. So if each side is 1, and we have our square, let me get a square here, okay? Each side is 1, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, the perimeter is 4. What's the area? It's 1 times 1, which is 1. Okay, I'll go ahead and do it for 2. If it's 2 and 2 plus 2 plus 2 for the perimeter, we have 8. What's the area? 2 times 2, 4. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and fill the rest of those in. And there are your answers. It's what you should have filled in there. Okay, now it's asking you over here on graph 1 and 2. So we're going to graph the perimeter here. So at 1, we go over to 4. Here's the perimeter. At 1, go up to 4. Place your point. I'm going to skip down to 2. 2, 8. 2, 8. The best I can get it here. 2, 4, 6, 8 right here. Okay. 4 would have been 16. So at 4, we go up to the 16. And as you get them all placed, then you should be able to make a straight line. That's what a perimeter does. It makes a straight line. Area, on the other hand, does not make a straight line, and that's what it wants to make sure that you notice. So at 2, I'm going to go up to the 4. 2, 4. Put your point. At 4 times 4 is 16. So at 4, I'm going up to the 16. 5 times 5 is 25. So at 5, I'm going up to 25. And when you get finished, I'll show you what that looks like. Not a straight line. And that's what they want you to notice. Okay, that was a short lesson today. Math box, go ahead and try that if you want to. And then I'll put the homework, the study link up here. So if you can read it, let me make it so it fits on the screen here. Pause and write those down on a piece of paper if you want to, but that'll be the homework for tomorrow then.